Greetings traders, welcome to Friday the 13th and freetradingvideos.com. And let's take a look at the broad market. Hey, we're barely in the green, in this case blue, just up a little bit on the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, and the Russells. But the NASDAQ was actually lagging the markets. Maybe it was leading the markets, but it was on the downside. A little surprised it even went into the green in the latter part here Friday. So perhaps that's telling to what's to come. Maybe the markets are poised to drop again. The VIX, the fear indicator, is actually up 2.5%. So anyway, that should have been down with the markets being up, but the fear is starting to come back into the markets. This is the S&P Daily. Let's take a look at what we have. A nice 3-day run up. Here's the 4th day run up, and we have ourselves a good old-fashioned hanging man. Hanging man. Only confirmed if we get a lower low, so we're looking for a lower low on Monday or maybe Tuesday. If we get that, we should just continue to crash and burn. Now, I'm going to show you a couple things here. First, let's draw Fibonacci on this line coming down. We go to the very high. We draw it down to the very low, and I have so many lines here. We have come up, we passed the 38 right there, and we're approaching the 50. If we get a reversal pattern around the 50 fib or the 61.8 fib in this area, that would be a very bearish. Whatever we get there, if we get to this level up there, whatever this pull was coming down, we should get right here. So that would be a really bad down leg to the downside. So we'll see if that will play itself out. The other thing I'm going to do here is this trend line coming here. We did pierce it. We got ourselves a nice little jab. What I'm going to do is take this line, decrease it a little bit in size so it's not so prominent, and then I'm going to go for the last two swing lows that we have. We have this swing low and then this swing low. I'm going from bodies to bodies, and I'm going to make this dude larger in size, make it a little more thick. Now watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take another line, and I'm going to make this parallel with this one. You'll see why in just a millisecond. That's about as parallel as I can get it right here. Let's make this a little larger. Whoops, the other way. Now I'm going to take this and put it on this swing high right there. These two lines are parallel. This one and this one parallel. This could be our new trend. Resistance, support, resistance, and then drop. So if that's the case, I'm calling it about 770. If we can get up to 770, real juicy area to short. But I think that that short opportunity might come sooner because we do have a hanging man. Hanging man doesn't matter if it's a white candle or a red candle. Hanging man, anytime you get this hammer at the top of an up leg, if you get the preceding candles coming up and then you get a hammer, it's called a hanging man. You can see the two arms off the sides and two legs. You can almost see it. But if we get a lower low, that's confirmation of the hanging man, and we should start the descent. So we're not doing the weekend edition today. The weekend edition will be coming out tomorrow on Saturday. So come to freetradingvideos.com to see the weekend edition. I got some very important things to show to you on the weekly and monthly, and how things are shaping up and those things that are transpiring out there in the market. So happy trading to you. Happy weekend to you. And always stop loss out there in the market. Catch you later.